day. I don't go celebrate. Last night come back. Yummy stew. That is what I need to cook. I am serious. And this food will be serious with me. This is our tomatoes, onions, fresh pepper, bell pepper, garlic, what are they calling it again? Carrot, and what again? Zenzero and canna, fresh one. So I pour everything inside this pot because I want to boil them. Guys, I've parboiled my tomatoes. You can see, I've parboiled it. Now it is time for me to start cooking stew.